This is the most birds I've ever seen in one place.
I see. There's more coming. It is like the rainforest. Like it's the mountain.
That's so strange.
I've never seen it before. We've been here 8 years, so it's the first time in 8 years I've ever seen this. January 22nd, 2015. Oh wow, they're all landing in the back tree now. Yeah.
Lucky doesn't care. He's just happy.
The trees are just full of birds.
I know, look.
Why on January 22nd did they decide to do this? I don't know.
I don't know.
It's like 45 degrees or something out here. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. Well, they flew off from there, so now they're in the backyard. They're going around the back.
Some are still in the front. They're all going all around different directions. And a bunch of them went into a field.
They are. They're surrounding our whole house. Look at that. A cloud of them just took off. I hope this camera can capture it. It's really interesting. I see that. A little sliver of a moon up there. Here comes more of them. And some more. And more. And oh wow. Oh, John. Look at him coming from over here. Oh my gosh. The whole sky is full of birds. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. It's the whole cloud of them. Oh my gosh. It's really something to see.
They're all gathering.
They are all gathering. Wow. And off they go. That was really interesting. Wasn't that something?
Did you get that?
I hope so. I hope the camera captured it. It was really strange and wonderful.
I've never seen so many birds in one place.
And now they're all
gathered, all of them gathered all the way into the woods.
now they're all somewhere else.
Maybe they migrated here.
Maybe.
And if they stay here, that'll be awesome, you know?
It's really interesting.